Greetings to all parents, students, and staff of the Piterian family. With God Almighty's blessings and your prayers, we are almost in the verge of completing this academic year successfully. Last year, our students displayed a stunning performance with its 100% win. Our students have participated in almost all the academic and non-academic competitions, both intra and inter-school. And I am extremely happy to say that they have secured prizes, overall championships and brought laurels to school. We are focusing and preparing our students for the board examination. Dear parents, we need all your blessings and prayers. Thank you.
Good evening to all. It's my 20th year in this institution. I always feel proud to work as the Vice Principal of this prestigious school. The school has provided the best infrastructure such as all labs like physics, chemistry, biology, computer, robotics, etc. We also have added facilities, activity complex, the swimming pool and a special block for fine arts. We have a spacious playground for students. Let's all join our hands and work together for the progress of our institution. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is my first year as Vice Principal in St. Peter's. We have organized many activities, both academic and non-academic for the students. Now it's time for students to focus on their board examination, especially the 10th, grade 10th and 12th. I wish all the best to my students for the betterment in their examinations. Thank you.
The year 2019-20 was indeed a challenging and a glorious one for our kindergarten. We won the Nakshatra Kids Fest Ever Rolling Trophy held at Christava Mahilalayam Public School, Alni. And we are waiting for the mega event, the Prep Day and the Graduation Day. I thank Lord Almighty for making our kinder world a happy place of learning. Thank you.
Education is an opportunity to open children's hearts and minds to the unbelievable wonders of the universe. A time to pause, reflect, and regenerate. I wish to begin with our spectacular performance on the academic front. As educators, achieving academic excellence is the hallmark of any reputed institution. We are proud of the commendable performances of our students of classes 10 and 12. In the Class 12 AISSCE examination held by the CBSE, out of the 185 students who appeared, 39 bagged A1 in all subjects. 180 students got distinction and 5 secured first class. 9 students put up a stellar performance by grabbing centum in various subjects. In the Class 10 AISSE examination, our students put up a marvelous show by securing a 100% win with 160 distinctions and 26 all A1s. Thanks to the hard work of our dedicated staff and vibrant cooperation from students and parents. A good thought refreshes the mind and is the best way to start a day. And in our kindergarten, we create an atmosphere in which every child learns, grows, and is valued. We aim at the wholeness of our children, and for this, we start our day with a morning assembly which is power-packed with music, exercises, story time, and the most sought after, the birthday celebrations. The first stage performance of a child means a lot to their parents and teachers. Our kindergarten kids went out on stage without any fear with their storytelling, action songs, fancy dress, light music, etc. during their cultural fest. Their sports day was a fun-filled celebration for all the tiny tots.
The first stage performance, Sylvan Symphony, and a fun-filled sports day celebration gave our children an opportunity to put forth their talents in extracurricular activities.
The greatest wealth is health. To promote this, we had our own vegetable garden in our kindergarten. The harvest was handed over to school canteen.
Leaders are not born but are made by their experiences in life. to enable students to get a first-hand feel of democracy and to know their rights and duties. A school election was held to constitute the Students' Council, and Gautam S. and Sanjana Sabu were selected as the head boy and head girl respectively. St. Peter's Senior Secondary School Students' Council for the academic year 2019-20 was sworn in on 22nd June 2019 with Captain P. Rajkumar witnessing the event as the guest of honor.
We, the SS and Commerce Department, conducted the school election. The selection procedure of the office bearers were strictly in accordance with the assembly election, and we were successfully able to complete the election and announce the results within the same day itself.
The software for the same was developed by Faculty of Computer Science Department.
Our teaching community attended a session by Dr. M. Dinesh Babu, a CBSE trainer who highlighted the new changes and trends in the assessment and evaluation practices of the board and also experiential learning. An enriching and informative session was held by Mr. T. O. Paulos, who stressed on the importance of creating a pleasant and a stress-free atmosphere for the teachers and students. An inspiring and impressive talk was given by Mr. Aju Jacob to the teaching faculty of St. Peter's. With a vision to make teaching, learning an interesting experience for teachers and students, a training session was arranged for the teachers by Extra Marks Education India Private Limited.
As part of the Environment Day, saplings were distributed to all the students. Drawing and coloring exhibition was conducted by the Fine Arts Department for the students of classes 1 to 4. Mr. Suraj Abraham and Mr. Mujib Muhammad, the Secretary and the President of Planet Earth, spoke to the students about waste management and the concept of recycling and upcycling.
Wishes from the Mathematics Department. One of the biggest accomplishments of our department this year was the Dr. Matthew Pudukunath Memorial Inter-School Quiz Competition conducted on 3rd August.
Dr. Matthew Pudukunath Memorial Inter-School Quiz Competition was organized by 1986 alumni batch in the fond memory of their batchmate Dr. Matthew Pudukunath. It was conducted by our Maths Department faculty on August 3, 2019. 15 schools participated in this quiz competition. The winners were awarded cash prizes of Rs 5,000, Rs 3,000, Rs 1,500 for the first, second and third prizes respectively. An inspiring talk was given by Basil Paul, an alumnus of our school. To enlighten the students about the importance of being perseverant, a motivational talk was given by Lieutenant Basil Paul on 25th June. Students of classes 11 and 12 were indeed enlightened with the session.
A flying officer and fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force and an alumnus of our school, George Kuriakos, interacted with the students and gave them a better understanding of the selection procedure in Service Selection Board and the NDA. The session was in fact an exciting one for the students.
With a view to provide a better understanding of the rhythm of life and to equip the blooming buds of St. Peter's to face the new challenges of life and career, a motivational talk was given by Mr. Sharad Sajid Chandran, the former PTA president of our school.
Assessment Module Perfect Rise, a seminar initiated by the Times of India and Lakshya aimed at enhancing the students to choose the right career path, was conducted in different sessions for the classes 10, 11 and 12 on 27 September 2019 by Ms. Rashmi Radhakrishnan, who is a part of National Skill Development Mission.
A career-enhancing session was held by Commander Manoj Kumar. Discipline, self-respect, pride in one's country, a huge sense of duty and obligation, self-confidence were the highlights of this session. He inspired our students to narrow down their career choice fitting their personal goals and interests. The interactive session brought forth the student prodigies to have an open discussion on entry procedures and work etiquettes.
This time it was our privilege to organize annual inter-house cultural competitions of the school, Sylvan Symphony 2019-20. We started preparation safely in advance so that the programs are all chartered to complete within the stipulated time frame.
The 3-day St. Peterian Cultural Jamboree, Sylvan Symphony 2019-20, took off on a colorful journey on the 7th of August 2019. Miss Bhavana Vijayan was the chief guest for the LP section. The renowned playback singer Minmini, who stole the hearts of music lovers with her enchanting voice, inaugurated the fest. House of Wisdom emerged as the champions, followed by Houses of Loyalty and Compassion in the first and second runners-up places respectively.
50 years of Peterian legacy had always owed its share to the excellence in sports activities.
Master Rishikesh Shiv represented our state in National Throwball Championship.
Physical education and sports have become an integral part of education. As the habits that are acquired during the childhood last for a lifetime, ensuring physically fit and mentally strong individuals. Our school has been coming up with exemplary performances in a multitude of disciplines in various regional and national level competitions. Our school's glory reached its zenith when Murtaza Mehboob Sheikh of class 11 embraced the gold medal in the 3000 meters race and a bronze medal in 1500 meters race. In the CBSE state meet held at Maharaja's ground, Master Rishikesh Shiv won gold medals in long jump and triple jump with a new meet record. The most spectacular and exciting event of the school, the 3-day sporting carnival. The annual athletic meet had the guest of honor, Olympian P.R. Srijesh, boosting up the confidence of our athletes with his anecdotes and experiences. The House of Peace emerged as the overall champion, while the House of Loyalty bagged the first runners-up trophy. Inter-house swimming competitions were conducted by the Department of Swimming.
हिंदी विभाग सितंबर में हिंदी सप्ताह का आयोजन किया गया है।
वार्षिक प्रदर्शनी में प्रशंसनीय भागीदारी रही।
अगले साल व्यावहारिक ज्ञान पर अधिक बल दिया जाएगा।
Hindi Divas was celebrated for the entire week as Hindi Saptaha. Each program conveyed a very important and essential message depicting the importance of the Hindi language.
ഈ അധ്യയന വർഷത്തിൽ മലയാള വിഭാഗത്തിന്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ നടത്തിയ പ്രധാന പരിപാടികളിൽ ഒന്നായിരുന്നു ഓണാഘോഷം. എല്ലാ വർഷത്തെ പോലെ തന്നെ മഹാബലിയെ എതിരേറ്റുകൊണ്ടാണ് നാം ഓണാഘോഷ പരിപാടികൾക്ക് തുടക്കം കുറിച്ചത്.
നവംബർ 28 നടത്തിയ സ്കൂൾ എക്സിബിഷനിൽ മലയാള വിഭാഗവും സജീവമായി പങ്കെടുത്തു.
വർണ്ണാഭമായ വിവിധ കലാപരിപാടികളോടെ 2019-20 അധ്യയന വർഷം വിജയകരമായി പൂർത്തിയാക്കാൻ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് സാധിച്ചു.
Onam was celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy. The various programs brought in Onam with all its colors.
The management honored Mr. C.O. Abraham, Mrs. Sujata MD, Mr. Paul Kuriako, Mr. Babu Peter, Mrs. Molly NT, and Mrs. Shrija Verghese for their 25 years of glorious service in St. Peter's.
We inspire students to speak English in the campus, to motivate and fall in love with the language. This year, we, the English department, conducted Spella, St. Peter's English Language Lovers Arena.
Spella created a great stir and a lot of students participated in it and proved their mettle. It was indeed a grand success and we hope to continue it in the coming years so that our students will be proficient in handling the English language.
We, the English department, organized the Christmas program this year.
Relishing the harmony of togetherness, the Peterian family celebrated Christmas. The Santa, who came from the distant land with his bag of happiness and joy, was the cynosure of all eyes. The Christmas kit and tableau added more color to the festivity.
We organized a book festival, Works of Wonder, on 1st October 2009. Students got an opportunity to exhibit their personal collection along with the invaluable collection of the library. Everyone of the campus was given an opportunity to visit the book festival.
The journey of a lifetime commences with the turning of a page, providing the students with the rare opportunity to explore the unexplored realms of the literary world. An exquisite book festival, Works of Wonder, was organized by the Reading Club on 1st October. It offered a platform for the students to exhibit their personal collection of books with the support of the school library.
We are the members of Finance Department. This year in 2019-20, we have organized several programs, both external and internal.
We all are from Work Education Department. We conducted our exhibition this year in a grand way.
The annual School Expo unfold the multifaceted talents and myriad of creativity of the students. The various exhibits in the fields of science, mathematics, languages, social science, short film and photography, arts and crafts, computer and robotics showcase the brilliance of the students and provided them with a platform to explore and visualize their knowledge in the various aspects of their interests.
We are the internal coordinators of the school for conducting various programs like Sylvan Symphony, University Ceremony, Children's Day Celebration, Teachers' Day Celebration, Onam Celebration, etc. These events already got over. Next task in front of us is to conduct Annual Day Celebration. We have already started the preparations for the same.
We are the coordinators of external competitions. In order to give exposure to our students, our school participated in several external competitions. With immense pleasure, let me say that in all the competitions which we participated, our school emerged winners.
We not only encourage the intra-school competitions, but we also extend the boundaries to promote inter-school competitions. Our school participated in MISCA 2019 held at Mary Mada Public School, and we emerged the top scorers in short film competition, drawing competition and fashion show. Our school also participated in Fresco and we secured the first prize in short film competition. We also emerged as the overall champions in the Dromos organized by the Marthoma Public School. The Social Service Club of our school took initiative in raising funds for the treatment of dialysis patients by putting up a food stall during the sports day. A check of Rs 50,000 was handed over to the Secretary of MOC Medical College on 10th December 2019. Let us foresee a world of universal singularity where our children are going to be the propellant of this change, and the world shall be a beautiful place to live in.